In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up I-9 verification on Gusto. To get started, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're signed in with admin level access, since this process involves employee onboarding documents and employer verification. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation so it's easier to move through the setup smoothly. Next, click Documents from the left sidebar. This is where Gusto stores important forms and files related to hiring, onboarding, and compliance. If you manage multiple employee records, staying organized here can make the process much easier. Under Shared Documents, find Employment Eligibility, also known as Form I-9. This is the federal form used to verify that an employee is authorized to work in the United States. When you locate it, click on Employment Eligibility, or Form I-9, to open it. Once the form is open, review the I-9 form details and requirements carefully. This is an important step because the form has strict compliance rules and deadlines. Take note of what the employee needs to complete, what the employer must verify, and which supporting identification documents are acceptable. Reading through everything first can help prevent delays or mistakes later. After that, assign or send the I-9 form to the employee who needs to complete it. Gusto typically makes this straightforward, and sending the form directly through the platform helps keep the process secure and organized. Be sure you're sending it to the correct employee record before moving on. The next step is to have the employee complete their I-9 information. They'll fill out their portion of the form, including their personal and work authorization details. It's a good idea to remind them to complete it promptly and accurately so the verification process can be finished on time. Once the employee has submitted their portion, review the submitted I-9 details carefully. Look for missing information, obvious errors, or anything that may need correction before you complete the employer section. A careful review here can save time and help maintain compliance. Then complete the employer verification section using the employee's identification documents. This part confirms that you have examined acceptable documents and verified the employee's identity and work authorization. Be sure the information entered matches the documents presented. Finally, save the completed I-9 verification. This ensures the form is stored properly in Gusto and is available for your records when needed. Thanks for watching.